welcome to Swara's Sweet Delights. Today I've bought an exciting recipe. Actually, it's not a recipe. We are going to see today a gifting idea. You can gift this to someone on birthday or for anniversary or Valentine's Day or Friendship's Day. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chocolate doll. This is an easy method to make gift at home to assemble this doll, and I hope you all will really enjoy this video. So let's begin. We will need a doll. You can see here I have taken a simple doll. You can also make use of Barbie doll. Then here are few chocolate candies. You can take any chocolate candies of your choice. Then here I have few Kit Kats. This is optional, but I'm going to make use of these as well. Then here is a double tape. The tape which comes in two sides, it's sticky on both sides. And here is a plastic container. We'll make her a frock or the dress with this, using this container. Now very first thing we are going to do is, we just want to make a hole over here, and for that I'll be using a knife and I'm going to heat it on stove or candle. And then we are just going to make a hole over here so that we can insert our doll into this. Like, I have heated it on gas stove. You can see. Just cut out little part of it. You can see here we have made slightly bigger hole, and now we'll just put this doll through this. You can see here we have inserted. We will start sticking this double tape. We will start from bottom. Like this. We'll cut here after completing one circle. Like this. And similarly we will make circles and we will stick. We have stick double tape on all sides. And now first we will start from bottom. We will just remove this double tape gently. I have removed two tapes, and front side I am planning to put this Kit Kats like this below, and then we will put the candy chocolates, or you can make full doll of candy chocolates. Now I'll just hold it like this and I'll stick it little bottom. You can see like this. We will put all the Kit Kats. I prefer to hold it in my hands and then stick it. It is easier for me, this method. And here you can see front layer, front dress I have covered with Kit Kats. Now I will remove the top layer tape also. Now we will take this small candies and we will start sticking like this. Just check the side which you are sticking. Let all be one side. You can see here I have taken London Dairy chocolates, so all London Dairy is written this side. So make sure that the chocolates are in a sync. Here for the back part we haven't stick this Kit Kat. If you want, you can fill it completely with Kit Kats or any bigger chocolates, but here we'll be sticking this candies. Just make sure that the level is equal, Kit Kats and this candies. You can see here we have done our first layer back side. Now we'll start off with our second layer. You can see here we are done with our 2 layers. Now we will begin this layer which we did in front. You can see this we will continue here, which will be our third layer. We have completed this layer as well. Now we will start with another layer. Now we will start off with another layer. Likewise, we will start sticking on top as well. You can see we have finished, and here this side also we will now start sticking like this. You can see here we have filled completely, and here also to our dress I am going to put double tape, and also back side. I'll just show you. You can see here gap. So here also we are going to stick double tape, and just we are going to pack it everything with chocolate. I'll take one chocolate and I'll stick here like this, like this, like this. You can see our doll is ready, and it looks so pretty. Here I have one small crown. I'll just put it to my doll like this, and here I have one piece of ribbon. I'll just put it like this so that she'll look like a princess. I'll just staple it over here so that it will stay, and you can see how beautiful it looks. Now you can surprise your Valentine by giving this simple homemade doll chocolate gift, chocolate doll. She looks so pretty, and you can put any chocolates of your Valentine's choice. Even guys can make this. It's very simple to make, and it gets done within 10-15 minutes. So do try this out during this Valentine's Day, and I hope that your Valentine will surely love this surprise, this gift. And please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.